Welcome to the channel Mastering C++. In the previous lecture, I have referred the pointer basics and did some hands-on programming on that. So pointer is very handy and it's very efficient because it only works on addresses. But a pointer might be a null pointer or it may point to a different object at different times. So sometimes it gives us an unexpected results that we did not expect. But what to do in this case? In this case, we can make use of references because references always refers to the object which it was initialized, and uninitialized references gives error, whereas not in the case of pointers. Pointers may become a null pointer or it may point to the different object which we did not expect. And another use of references is it's a somewhat clean. If you see here, if you pass the address, then you have to put the ampersand, which looks ugly. And if we use references, then it's a very clean representation. So now we will do some hands-on programming. We would do some hands-on programming on pass by references. So before going to the pass by reference, first understand what is reference. So I have declared a variable 1, and I am storing 20. So let's say declared lref variable 1. Now if I print lref, if I print the lref, let's check the output of this. We have to remove the ampersand because it will give the address. So here we can see that in the L reference we are storing the variable var1. If we remove this initialization for the time being, let us what happens. Let us check. We have not saved it. So here it is showing error because it has not been initialized. In the theoretical part, I have said you reference will not work until you initialize it. So here great advantage is that we will not get the unexpected result because it will not work without the initialization. However, in the case of pointers, it may be uninitialized also, then at that time it will not generate an error, maybe a null pointer. So in the reference we do not get the unexpected results. Now what we will do is we will write some program on L value and references. So let's say we'll take this only, the previous program, so which we have done by the pass by address. So now what we will do is instead of writing this swap by address, we will take this. I'll copy all this. So here I'll remove this and this I'll change the name of this because then it will be a conflict. Pass swap by reference. So I have to make another function. This I'll change the name ref. So here instead of pointer we'll put the ampersand because to get the reference we have to put the ampersand. So we'll change with this, changing all of this. So now swap by reference. So now we'll run this. It is showing some error. Let's check why this error is coming. So here you can see that in the normal variable it is not a pointer and I am storing an address. So this is the mistake. So we have to remove this. So all this to be removed, and now we'll try to compile. So now error has gone, all the error has gone. Now we'll check the output of this program. So here you can see that initially value was 20 and 10. Now it has become 10 and 20 when I used the swap by address, and now it has become 20 to 10. So now this we can see that the pass by reference is a cleaner way, cleaner representation compared to swap by address. So that's all for this video.